What is going on, guys? It's Arjun Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today we have the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from the Fast and Furious franchise. Super pumped. This is my second R34 from the Fast and Furious series. The first was a mainline edition, and this is the premium version from Hot Wheels, and I'm super amped to have this with you. So a little backstory, of course, I'm sure all of you know that this was driven by Paul Walker, aka Brian O'Connor in the movie, the late Paul Walker, and yeah, I mean Fast and Furious is nothing without him. He's an amazing actor, and I really truly miss him. I'm sure all car fans out there, you guys feel me. So yeah, this is the back of the car. Nothing much as usual, and yeah, today we're gonna unbox this vehicle. I'm gonna show you all the little quirks and features of this little vehicle and why I think this is one of the best cars in my collection as usual. So yeah, so I got this car from ToySpace. It's a shop at Far East Plaza here in Singapore. The previous video that I did with where I unboxed a car from Mini GT, the HKS Toyota Supra, that was from the same shop. So I'm gonna leave a link to ToySpace in the description below. You can check them out. But without further ado, let us dive right into this vehicle. Nissan Skyline GTR 34. Oh my, what a vehicle! I mean, and this car is a bit heavy. It's heavier than all the other cars that I've ever reviewed. Maybe because of the metallic body and the amazing rubber tires. Yeah, this is a magnificent car. It cost me a lot of money as well. And yeah, so we're just gonna start from the side. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. We have the doors, the midnight blue. I think that's what the paint is called. Or is it midnight purple? I'm not really sure. But a really amazing vehicle, and you can see that little openings at the hood. So that's for aerodynamic purposes. You know, the air enters to the vent at the front and it goes out, and it allows the car to go a little bit faster. Just a little background for you right there. And yeah, now we're going to look at the front of the vehicle. Really amazing. You can see the GTR logo at the front as usual. This is the, move on to the other side of the vehicle. This is the, I believe, the passenger side, sorry. So just now was the driver's side, but here's the passenger side of the vehicle. This is a right-hand drive, of course, like all Asian countries, the Asian cars. And yeah, so this side, nothing much. There isn't a very intricate details on the, or like decals, but yeah, a really amazing car. It brings back a lot of memories. I'm sure all Fast and Furious fans, you guys really miss this. And yeah, at the back we have the Nissan logo, the GTR logo, the huge spoiler at the back, the iconic spoiler, and yeah, we're back to the driver's side for a bit. And in the wall, we're going to look at the top of the vehicle. There you go. So the top, nothing much, but this paint job really just glistens under the sun, under the light here. And now we're going to move on to the base of the vehicle. Once again, like I've mentioned before, I really love a base which has details, and this really is a nice base. You see the Skyline and the GTR 34 written there, and this little detail, and that exhaust that we can see how the exhaust travels to the back. And yeah, so this is really amazing. It's a very nifty little detail, very small, but yeah, it's amazing that Hot Wheels really put in the effort to create that detail. And yeah, now we're just gonna have a, so you can see the front lip as well right there. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So here I'm going to do a comparison with the other Fast and Furious, and I'm going to leave a link to that on the top banner right about now. So you can click on that to look at my review for the other Fast and Furious R34, which is this, also driven by Paul Walker in the movie. And this, once again, was one of my most favorite cars as well. And so I have two R34s, both driven by Paul Walker in the movie. And I'm super pumped that they're in my collection. I'm super happy to have both of them. And yeah, so it's a side-by-side comparison. Almost identical. Of course, it's a different paint job. The back, however, is a bit different. You can see the premium version really has slightly more details and than the mainline version. And I think overall, it's an amazing job. And I absolutely love it. Of course, the wheel spins perfectly on the premium version as well. I mean, we've seen oftentimes that they actually don't spin. Now we're going to do a little rolling shots, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you just enjoyed the rest of the video. just like to come to the end of this video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time reviewing this car. Guys, once again, if you guys like this content, remember to like, subscribe, and follow me for more awesome content here on YouTube as well as TikTok. The link is in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.